The road, it's always here. Laid out like a million-mile invitation, waiting for you. Sometimes you can barely see it. Sometimes it runs narrow, and sometimes deep. But the road is always here, racing to the beat of a drum only you can hear. Do you hear it? Can you feel it? Will you find it? Are you ready? Let's enter the unknown. Let's put our fortunes to the test and come back rich. The road is an invitation to a whole new life. And it is calling. The Roadster Life Company.